Yo, what's up everyone? First and foremost, I want to say thank you so much for watching any of the interviews up to this point. This is episode 6 of the 3 Questions with a Thru Hiker series. I'm in Columbus, Ohio right now, and the person I'm about to interview has quite the hiking resume and quite the plan for this year. I hope you guys enjoy the episode, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks again.
Hi, my name is Eddie Boyd, also known as Oilcan. I'm from Columbus, Ohio. And I Triple Crowned when I was 20 years old. So that's the Appalachian Trail in 2015, the Pacific Crest Trail in 2016, and the Continental Divide Trail in 2017.
All right, dude, first question. When you finished your thru hike at the AT back in 2015, did you have any intention of doing the Triple Crown?
So on the AT, my buddy Texas Pooh was actually on his Triple Crown hike. So I was able to hear his stories from other trails and actually watch him finish his Triple Crown at Katahdin, which really kind of instilled in me like that, maybe someday I would want to, go for that goal. But it wasn't until like 2 months before I headed out for the PCT that I actually decided I wanted to do the PCT. After the AT, I didn't think I was gonna, go on another thru hike, at least for a while. I was just gonna go to college.
Cool.
But I kind of like, other people were going on thru hikes, and I was like, oh, this could be a really good year. So I actually started the trail with Click and Cheesebeard, which was a great time. And by deciding that I wanted to do the PCT, I was also deciding that I was going to go for the Triple Crown in 3 years and try to finish it before I turned 21. So that was awesome. It was a goal the whole way through.
So out of all 3 trails that you've hiked, dude, the AT, the PCT, and the CDT, what was your lowest point on any of those trails?
My lowest point was definitely at the beginning of the Appalachian Trail. I was going to southbound, and I was starting on Katahdin, and I had done the knife edge and then came down the AT, and it was 10 miles, and it took us like 11 hours, and it just absolutely destroyed me mentally and physically.
Oh, yeah.
The next day I did like 14 miles, and then the next morning I woke up and was throwing up and just really not feeling good, and sat down and sobbed to myself and made the decision to quit the trail, which I was absolutely devastated by. But I came home and spent a week home, and my friends gave me a bunch of shit for for quitting, and so they made me kind of rethink it. And I obviously it was my dream to hike the Appalachian Trail, so, and then I did a flip-flop with the Appalachian Trail.
Very cool. All right, man, so since you have finished the Triple Crown at the old age of 20, what's on the agenda next for you, dude? What do you have planned?
Next, I have created my own trail. It's called the Greater Yellowstone Trail. It starts in southern Montana in Custer National Forest at the northern end of the Greater Yellowstone ecosystem, and goes down through Yellowstone, through the Grand Canyon of the Yellowstone, Lamar Valley, Old Faithful, and all the geyser basins around that area. And then it goes down into the Tetons, and then across the Gros Ventre Wilderness, and then the Wind River High Route through the Wind River Range to end it all out. So we've created this route connecting all those things together. It should be about 475 miles.
Very cool.
So really looking forward to that. It's going to be a lot of on and off trail stuff. So
yeah, definitely.
Should be a nice, dynamic, kind of really exciting trip. So.
Yeah. And who did you plan that with? Who did you create that with?
My buddy Cheesebeard.
Very cool, very cool. And you've hiked a lot with him, right?
Yeah. Cheesebeard and I have hiked probably 5,000 miles together.
It's a long time.
Yeah.
That's awesome, man. Yeah. Very cool. Thanks for watching. This is episode 6 of 3 Questions with a Thru Hiker. I'm going to go ahead and link all of Oilcan's stuff in the bio. Give him a follow on Instagram. Keep an eye out for the Greater Yellowstone Trail. Yeah, it's going to be sweet. He's got some really cool stuff planned, and it's pretty crazy. He lives in Columbus. I've been in Columbus for about a year and a half, and we have surprisingly a really good thru hiker community here, which is awesome. So yeah, keep an eye on his stuff, and yeah, thanks for watching. See you on the next one.